Hi guys, welcome to our channel Dhuru Labs. Today in this video we're going to see how to do hanging intent in Google Docs. This is very simple tutorial. Okay, so to do first hanging intent, first we need to make sure that ruler is displayed or not. So this ruler is nothing but this, just you can see a table scale kind of thing right in the top and the left hand side. So this is the ruler. If it's not visible, go to view and press make sure this is selected or not. If it's not selected, it will be like this. So you should go there and you should select this. Okay, once you select that, you can see in the ruler, you can see something kind of a blue arrow mark and a one line. Okay, after seeing that, select the paragraph which you want to apply the hanging intent. Then select that line, not the arrow. Then move it little bit. Okay. So like this, simple. We can do the hanging intent. Let me do in the next paragraph also. So the same thing. Yeah. So we can see right. This is very simple tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and share this video with your friends. Thanks, guys.